Welcome to our new space at Moonlight Beach Dental. The whole experience in our surgical rooms are designed with the end in mind, and I couldn't be happier with our oceanic surfing spa vibe, and I just can't wait for our patients to experience the new Moonlight Beach Dental. One of our phrases here at Moonlight Beach Dental is dentistry done differently. And we are really proud that now you're going to walk in and know that you've never been in a dental office like this. Everything is different about this space. My vision was big, tall, open ceilings, private operatories that are really quiet, the ocean breeze that can blow in from the front of the office all the way through the back. It has elevated our whole team, and we just feel so happy here, and we know our patients will too. We're really proud that our new space is going to provide not only a better experience, but also better patient outcomes. We cannot wait for you to see all the things that are new and different here at Moonlight Beach Dental.